In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson WorkForce WF-2650 series printer on your Windows, Mac, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser. And into Google search, you want to search for Epson WorkForce WF-2660 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result, you come back with an Epson website here that says Epson WorkForce WF-2660. Go ahead and open that up. And then you just want to scroll down underneath downloads and selecting next to the operating system version. Select either Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, whatever your preference is, and then select Go. And then going down again, select the driver and utility combo package installer. Go ahead and download that. And then once it's on your system, go ahead and open up that file to run it. And it should be a verified publisher. Select yes, and then just proceed with the on-screen wizard and just follow through the steps. If there's optional features or updates you want to install, should be included with the installer here. You can see that this file contains the installer to obtain everything you need to use your Epson WorkForce WF-2660. Just select OK to continue here. You can set up your preferences if you want to have a wired or wireless connection between your printer and your device. So like I said, pretty straightforward process, pretty intuitive from here. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.